Wes. What makes you unique?
I am responsible and fast learner.
Tell me about yourself.
I am a hardworking person and I can work well in a team
Why do you want to work at this company?
because this company has a good reputation and growth opportunities.
What interests you about this role?
This role matches my skill and interests.
What motivates you?
Learning new things and doing a good job.
What are your greatest strengths?
I am disciplined and reliable.
What are your weaknesses?
Sometimes I am too careful, but I am improving. Thank you.